sequence mode, this is single run mode.
Single run. Okay, so we'd be using single runs.
Single vial, single run.
Okay.
Multiple vial.
Got it.
Run control. Okay, you're going to go to sample info, and this is where you can create subdirectories. Let's say you wanted to create a directory called Steve.
Okay, all right.
Right. You click off of that, it's going to say it doesn't exist, you want to create it. You hit OK, it would create it, okay?
Okay.
If you leave this blank, it's going to store that path
In the
chem32 data.
Okay.
If you create a subdirectory in data, it'll create a subdirectory and store your data from this run and other runs that are set this way in there.
Right,
okay?
so each lab group could have their own subdirectory.
Yeah.
And that would be a good way of organizing.
Data file naming, this is tricky. Okay. Make sure you go over this with anybody who's going to use this.
Okay.
Manual. You have to rename that file name every time you run, or it's going to overwrite. It'll warn you first. It'll say data with this file name already exists. Will overwrite the data or something like that. You have to hit OK, or you can hit like no or cancel or whatever.
Okay.
And it'll abort the startup. Okay. Go to prefix counter. Always be in this mode, okay? The reason being is because you can name it whatever you want within a certain limit. There's a character limit. Because there's a bit.
Okay, so we don't use manual. We use prefix counter.
Just use this, it's easier, okay? And then if you forget to rename it, it'll just put
another digit on it. Yeah, okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Got it.
And if your thing has a number, like if it's checkout, sample number 3021, I would put an underscore after that.
Okay. Otherwise, you can't tell what it says anymore because it's all jumbled.
Yeah, no, because so you put an underscore, and then this is the counter.
There, I got it.
So, yeah. Location, vial 1, really doesn't matter because there's no vial. It's not an auto sampler. I'm going to show you where to do that. Sample information and a comment text box, okay? This will be kind of displayed later.
Okay, so this is if you want to talk about the sample that you're running.
Yeah.
That's where you put your comment.
Yeah.
Got it.
And if you want to run from here, you just hit run method.
Okay. Oh, okay.
If not, you go, make sure this says single sample, make sure you're here.
Yep.
You hit this, and everything will go purple.
Okay, so that's the start button. Yeah.
It'll go purple. Well, I don't think it'll let me do it.